Hi, everyone. Welcome to today's session. My name is Jay Aura. I teach Advanced Excel and Financial Modeling at RCM Online College through Zoom and, of course, video tutorials. So today, I would want to take you through how to do a published income statement in Excel. Now, assuming you are given these kind of transactions, we have the financials here, right? And then somebody comes and tells you to do an income statement out of them. Now I'll be able to remember very fast. In IFRS 1, income statement presentation, there is no way I will come and really accommodate revenue from supermarkets, revenue from discounters. I have got to this, or rather I have to consolidate all these revenues in one basket called what year revenue, just one revenue item. And that is why it is very important for you to go through the financials that you have, and then you do them, put them in a financial map, do what we call financial mapping. So already I've done this. There is a special class that I have for just mapping alone, but because this, I would want this to be a 2 minutes video, this is what I'll do. So if you give me this information, then how do I prepare the P&L? So I have here revenues, cost of goods sold, etc. Then straight away in my ears, and what I shall do, I'll come and put my cursor there and of course activate the 2014. I would want first of all to do an income statement for 2014. So how do I do this? This is a conditional summation, so some ifs. So once I press some ifs there, I can see it has come up. I'll pick it to the cell. Then I'll come and pick the sum range. So the sum range, it's the amount here that I would want to sum. I highlight the whole of it. And remember, sum range has to be a fold. Sum range has to be full, dollar referenced. After that, what do? We'll put a comma. We'll straight away put a comma there. And then, ladies and gentlemen, after that, sum range, now they want the criteria range. The first criteria is the year. You know, I've got 3 years in this information, 2014, 2015, 2016. So I would want the year to be the criteria. So the year will come straight away and highlight the entire year. So the year criteria has also to be dollar referenced. So we have there F4, right? Comma. So after criteria range, that house which houses the year, I'll straight away go and pick the single year in reference, which is 2014. So this one, I can only get it in my profit and loss. So I'll come to 2014 and I'll be able to do what year to pick that thing like that. Ladies and gentlemen, once I pick 2014, then I have got a C and 4. For 2014, of course, I expect to change. The other years are variable, right? I have to move on to 2015 and 2016. So then there must be something to be fixed here, C and 4. I can't fix this C. This column C cannot be fixed. It's an in-between column. Right? But if you look at row number 4 is a title row. I'll be making a reference to 2014 throughout downwards. So then I have to fix this 4. So I'll have to come here and say dollar. So shift F4. Shift 4, I get the dollar like that. So that is the first criteria gone. So from there, I'll go to the second criteria. Second criteria is where revenue is found. Where revenue is found, I have my revenue in this mapping, the single revenue. So ladies and gentlemen, what I'll do, I'll come straight away here and target the mapping like that. So remember the mapping criteria range, this has to be full dollar referenced. So F4 like that. And then I say comma. So then I'll be able now to go to the revenue item itself in the P&L. So the revenue item itself in the P&L, revenue item in the P&L, it's here. It is there. So then what I need to do for revenue, here it's B5. So it's this B5. I have to know which one to dollar reference. So here I'm going to dollar reference B. So B, because B is a column title. So I'll dollar reference B there. So dollar, so that is just shift 4 like that. And then there I am. I'll be able to close brackets like that. And then I say enter. When I say enter, I have my figure. So now when it comes to the other summations, it becomes very easy because I simply scroll. I simply, in this case here, move as well down like that. Move down like that. So I have the figures, ladies and gentlemen. Now with this, of course, I'll be able to use now the formulas here to get like gross profit. Like gross profit here, I'll say equals. I know it is this revenue. I say minus the cost. I say minus the cost of sale like that. Once I get this same figure, what I'll do is to come and pull that way. And then I'll be able to do the other. So we've come to the end of this. Ladies and gentlemen, remember this is online, RCM Online College. Please reach out to us. Our number is 0719 525,000. Thanks and bye.